Are you wondering how to actually grow your wealth through passive income? Well, in this video, I'll show you how much I've managed to earn in the last month through dividend investments and give you a quick glimpse into some of the strategies that I'm using to build my financial future and work towards financial independence. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Mark of Desperately Seeking Fi. So in this video, I'm going to cover off what I've made in last year's Stocks and Shares ISA, and then we're going to have a quick look at this current year's Stocks and Shares ISA that I have on Trading 212. I've got links down below to both of those platforms, and I've also done a video where I say these are the two best platforms to actually use depending on what you are looking for. If you're just looking for exchange traded funds, Invest Engine every day, and if you're looking at also bringing stocks into that, you could have a look at Trading 212. So let's do a quick jump into my Invest Engine account, and on this one I've actually only had one payment last month, and that's for the HSBC MSCI Emerging Markets. All in all, I have about £200 of holdings, and that is down about 1.8% as we talk. And on the 18th of August, that paid me a whopping £1.90. But beggars can't be choosers. I'm going to put that back in and just top up that ETF. Where I hold the majority of my investments this year are on this Trading 212 platform, and it's spread across 4 different pies in here, and we're looking at a bit of an experiment that I'm doing on the daily DCA versus the monthly DCA. Watch out for a video coming in that one in the near future. But I'm also looking at having monthly dividends, so I'm invested into about 21 different stocks in there, and that's there to generate a dividend payment, and I'm trying to get dividends paying across every single month using that. Within the daily and monthly DCA pies and the Own the World pie, I have these 4 different ETFs, and they replicate VWRL on something similar to the weightings that would provide, but the ongoing cost, instead of 0.22% ongoing charge, I'm getting it for about 0.09. So it's VUSA, VFEM, VUKE and VERX. But where did I get my dividend payments for the last month? So they basically came from the different investments that I have within this pie. So as I said, 21 different investments in here, and what have they actually been paying out? First dividend that I actually got in the month through Trading 212 was Vodafone, coming in at £7.69. Vodafone hasn't been doing particularly well for me. I am down about 5.68% on that, and I hold just under £300 within that. That was the first payment that I had of £7.69. Next dividend payment that I got was my Realty Income, and as you will have seen through the last few months, I've been just adding a little bit more to Realty Income every single month, and I've just seen that dividend ticking in and growing over time. So I managed to pull in £3.77 on that, and Realty Income is one of the largest holdings I hold within this pie, and that's just at a tad under £2,000 in there, and the average price is well under that $60 per share, and that's basically where I'd started out on this. So as I've been dollar cost averaging into this as it's been falling, and currently it is sat at under $56. There must be another video in there, because that's a cracking price for Realty Income. There are some issues with Realty Income, with some of the news coming out recently potentially downgrading. There might be some issues with that stellar monthly dividend paying company, and that's what their label is, the monthly dividend company. They may have to just hold that dividend payment as it is at the moment. British American Tobacco coming in as the third paying dividend stock within this pie, and I got a nice little £13.85 paid by British American Tobacco. This is third highest holding that I hold within this portfolio. And as you can see on that chart, the price has been coming down over the last year. We are near 52-week lows. So I am looking at buying into this, and you'll see that I have got an average price at just below where it is sat at the moment. So potentially opportunities to buy in a little bit more and get a bit of a bargain. Next we have Primary Health Properties, so the UK healthcare REIT, and that's paid me 2 payments, and I'm still not sure why I get 2 payments on that, but it comes in at £3.51. PHP once again in around 52-week lows, and I have been purchasing into that, and I've done quite well to sort of get in at an average price somewhere in around where it is currently sat at the moment at 92 pence and 87. And my final dividend payment coming in last month was Greencoat UK Wind, and that came in at £3.29. And I hold about 350 shares of UKW, and that's paying me a nice dividend of about 5.91%. Quite happy with that coming in, and that pays me quarterly. As with quite a few of the stocks that are held within this pie, there are some monthly, quarterly, as well as biannually paying stocks, and I quite like being able to see those dividends coming in, and it is something that sort of just keeps me interested and keeps me excited and allows me to reinvest into stocks or ETFs that are sat at reasonably good value. That's just a quick whistle-stop tour through the dividends paid in August. I think you might be interested in having a look at this video, which gives you an idea of how you could spread an investment of £10,000 across a number of different dividend stocks that would pay you somewhere in the region of a 5% return. So why don't you go and have a look at that? Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.